Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing the rotate array, which is the 189 problem of the LeetCode. So basically you need to prerequisite, I already told you, that is the array. So let's start. Here is given an integer array nums. First of all, if you don't know what is array, so array is a linear data structure which stored homogeneous type of elements. What does mean a linear data structure and a homogeneous type of elements? Means homo means the similar type of element stored in a raw or in a box, you can say. So what is linear data structure? Linear data structure means a raw, a line, or you can say in a term of array that every element has a forward and a backward elements except the first element and the last element. Okay, so let's start. Given an integer array nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So here is given that the nums, there is a elements, okay, which is stored in the nums name of array. So rotate the array by the k step. K is the order in which order we are rotating, and there is the condition, there is k is a non-negative, means it do not be negative. Okay, let's take some examples. Here is given the nums 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here is the order k equal to 3. The output is 5 6 7 1 2 3 4. Let's understand how it does. Okay, so in basically you think in easy way, there's an element of 7, okay, and we minus the element, means 7 minus 3 is 4. The first 4 element is remain constant, and that last third element, 3 elements, put this in first. Okay, but not indirectly, we just taking the, oh, it is given, so we delete this and put it here like a stack. No, that's not a thing. What explanation? You have to rotate one by one. Okay, in first step what will happen? The last element comes to the first element. In second, another last element, means the 6 comes to the first, and another, the last element come to the first. Then it done, because here we are given the order 3. Okay, let's start. You will understand what I'm talking about. So here is the class given, public void rotate. Here is the nums of array. Here is the k is the order. Okay, let's start. If array, so sorry, I'm just taking array. If nums equals to null, let me write, then I will explain you what I'm writing. Okay, so here I put I put a condition. I put a condition here, that is if nums equal to null, means if no element is present in the nums, or if order is negative, means less than 0, then it will give an error, means the illegal through new illegal argument exception, means it gives the check the argument. If in any argument is a negative value or it not given the nums value, then it put the illegal argument as output. Okay, so our order equals to k modulo nums dot length. Okay, then we take a variable at a, any variable you can take. A equals to, sorry, nums dot length minus the order and we call another function, that is, let's take name as reverse, that is nums. If you don't know the basic thing, first learn them and come here. Okay, it's 0, a minus 1. Let me write, I will explain you everything. I'm writing again. Nums dot length minus 1, nums dot 0, comma nums dot length minus 1. Okay, done. I'll call another function, that is the public static void int. Let's take again nums equals to int left, comma int right. Okay, if array nums equals to null, or nums dot length is less than, or sorry, is less than, or I can say equal to 1, less than 0 or equal to 1, equals to 1, then it will return. Okay, while left is less than the right, here we can swap them. Temp equals to nums of left, nums of left equals to nums of right, nums of right equals to temporary variables, and in every swapping we increase the left and we decrease the right. Let me first check does it run or not, then I will explain you everything. Okay, it accepted all the cases. So what does I did? Let me submit it. I hope you can see everything. So basically here in this, here is one more thing you don't know. Here is not written, it is the LeetCode, so here is not written the main function. So what is basically happening is, first there is a public static void main string arguments. Okay, integer equals to array or nums, whatever you can write. And so 1, 2, 3, like anything you can take, 4, 5, 6, even 6. Or here I call the function rotate, I put the array. So in interior way this is happening. Let me print this. Okay, for in type equals to array. I'm here using the for each loop. If you don't know the for each loop, that's not a big thing, you can learn it. System.out.print I. So in this question, this is the interior part. Okay, You don't have to write this in the LeetCode, but you have to write this in whatever you IDE you are using. Okay, so this is probably saying that the I taken an array names. Okay, I'm taking an array which is storing 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm giving this value. I call the rotate array. Where is rotate array? Here, rotate function. Not array, rotate function. Here in passing the array and order. Oh, sorry, I haven't written the order. Okay, int k equals, let me take 2. Okay, so I have to pass here if comma 2. Okay, okay. So it will call the rotate function here. First we check, does my num equal to null? What does mean null? Null means if I haven't put any value. Okay, I will show you in later. Okay, or if I have given the order is like -1, like I given the order is -1. So I think it gave me the error. Let's check. So this is the error. Okay, what I'm talking about. Oh, sorry, minus again. So you don't need to write this. Okay, so it will throw new illegal argument exception. What type of argument? What type of exception is this? It is the illegal argument exception. Argument, what does mean argument? Within the bracket, this is known as the argument. Okay, so I have written this as an illegal argument. Okay, so if you are given here, we are given the array, it has a length. Okay, so it doesn't show us this type of this type of exception. Here the k equals to, here the order equals to order modulo nums dot length. Why we are writing this line? It means if we are if here we have the length 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 elements. So if I am giving the rotate order is 6, then it will give us the same elements which is written here. Okay, then this line int a equals to nums dot length minus k. So here we are, what we are doing here, we are storing at the, what is the length? Length is 6. 6 minus what type of order? Let me, I give it 2. What does it mean? It is 4. Okay, so in this next function it will call another function here, the reverse function. Okay, but here it will call the array as num as the array from 0 to, it will go to a minus 1. What is the a? A is 4, so it will call up to 3. If you don't know, in any programming language there is a indexing. It is 0 based indexing. Means the first element is must be counting as a 0. Means if you call the what is a of 0 is means the first element means 1. Okay, in next line, if in the first time it will call this, okay, what will happen? There 1 2 3 4 6. So in that time it will rotate the 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will take the starting 3 elements 0 1 2 3 up to 4, and it will rotate them in a backward action, means 4 3 2 1. It will write 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. It will store like that. In next iteration, what it will call? It will call again that function num reverse, and here it will give the value. Where is the num? Is the array that from a. What is a? A is 4. From 4 to up to nums dot length minus 1. What is the length? That is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. I am again saying that this is not the element, this is the indexing. Okay, so what is at the fourth? This fourth is 0 1 2 3 4. 4 is 5 and last one is 6. What is the reverse of 5 and 6? It is obviously 6 and 5. Okay, In last time, in this again it will call the reverse function. In this it will give these value and these value. Okay, so first it will from 0, so it will put this like 4 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, and then 6 comma 5. It will check again, is left is less than right. Yes, the zero based indexing. Okay, from 0 we are starting, and here is what, the length is 6 minus 5. Okay, so in first iteration what will it do? It will take 5 bit here, sorry, it will reverse it again. Means what will happen? The whole reverse means we will write 5 comma 6 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3, sorry, 3 comma 4. I have written the double comma 5 6 1 2 3 4, and this is our answer. Okay, let me show you. This is the real answer. You have to remove this. If you haven't removed this, it will give us the error. I hope I written all good. Let me check again. Extra. Okay, this is basically the previous one. Okay, I have right now. Okay, let me do it. I will create one. So let me submit. I hope this will write. Okay, it's done. Let me take another test case. Test case. I will create what I have given at that time. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Order is 2. Let's check. This is our answer. Okay, let me small it. At that time, this is our answer. Probably. Let's check. Is it going to give us the same result or not? Test case 3. It is 5 6 1 2 3 4. I hope you understand this concept. Okay. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. I make sure to, in next video I will make you understand the whole concept or whatever your doubt is. Okay, thank you everyone.